Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just adding inventory is this 2017 Lexus ES350. This one is gray. It's got black leather interior, power bucket seats. It's got front heated and cooled seats, heated steering, CD, satellite radio, navigation, rearview camera, wood and leather steering, and 14,000 miles. Here's your sunroof. It's got Lexus wheels. It's got a nice size back seat. Got plenty of room back here in the trunk area. It's Lexus certified, and it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on the 17 ES or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory in our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you can hear Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry, and your car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.